you. Guys, no buying super stickers. I have this. It's available. Super sticker, super chat, and also membership. No one's member. New member on my channel. How about si Salvi? Closer, the closer get to touching, the closer I get to loving you. If it's time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Just a little. Yeah, I speak English. Guess what? Guess how old am I? You guess. Wow, this precious smile, the twinkle in your eyes, and a little while. Philippines. I am Philippines. I'm Filipino. Pure. It's time just No, it's not. 88. I am 88, not 63. 88. I mean, I eat yours, you eat mine. Bigfoot sister. Bab. Yes, how old am I? Somebody tell my age is 63. I have put it. Philippines. My name is Naomi. Oh, my eyes. I wanna take it up. No husband. I'm a single mother. And that's my son. My husband. I don't get married since I only have a living partner. That's why we have a son, but we're not married. Lola, tulog na. Oo, matutulog na ako, lolo. Pasensya na po. Do you have Instagram? Yes, I have my Instagram. Naomi. Pasensya na po, lolo. Nag-ingay-ingay lang po ako dito. May mga basher na naman. Mga inggit, pikit. Can I test? Can I test it? 5 months? Test? What test? Hi, Jesse Cheesebone. My name is Naomi Hamarlin. How can I get your Instagram? In my profile, I've there put my Instagram. From Malaysia, no name. 88, you're really blessed with youth and beauty. No, actually, telling I was born in 1982. I am 42. 42. This is the real talk. I was born in May 4, 1982. Hating gabi na. So what? Kung hating gabi, di matulog na tayo. Taga-ilog, may pag-asa. Oh my God. Shout out sa iyo. Hi, Robin Vega. Hello guys, I was to thank you for watching and see you on my next live. Good night. Good night everyone. Imagine ko sa'yo mahiga. Better midnight snack. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.